guys, so today we're back with another review. If you didn't watch my onion ring review, go watch that. So we're gonna review the chicken tenders. Ooh, it's hot. The chicken tenders are finally done. So this is the onion ring I reviewed already. So the chicken tenders is real hot. Let me cool it down real quick. Okay. We're dipping it in the sauce. We're dipping in the sauce. Sweet and sour sauce from Michigan. From not Michigan. Sweet and sour sauce from McDonald's. Go green, by the way. Okay. Ooh, hot. Okay, we're gonna review it in 3, 2, hot. 3, 2, 1. It's good. I'll rate it 9 out of 10. Crispy. The sauce is good with it too. White meat. Crisp. Lacy. I'm gonna tear it apart and try. Okay, I'm gonna put it under here. I'm gonna go bite it apart. All that steam. Ooh, hot. Ooh. All that steam. Knife. This is off the grease too. Yo, how hot though. Try it. So, that's 9 out of 10. This is the batter we used, actually. This is the batter. If you want to make a perfect crispy chicken like this, batter. But it says Drake's crispy fry mix. Yep. Until next time, I'll make a review, reaction, or a cooking video. I should have done a cooking video today, but no. But then we're gonna review. Actually, I forgot we had one more thing to review. We got Oreo mint cookies we're gonna review. I got dessert. Got 2. We're gonna review it in 3, 2. She got ice cream with this. Dip it in there. 3, 2, 1. Actually, they're mint Oreos. I didn't tell y'all. Good. So till next time, I'll make a review, reaction, or a cooking video. Bye.